Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set shipping on Shopify. First things first, we need to log in into our account as an admin, and once we do that, we just continue as follows. On the bottom left side of your screen are the settings. We want to click on the settings, scroll a bit down, and there is option for shipping and delivery, and we're gonna click there. Once we're in here, we want to check the general shipping rates and click on manage. Once we're in here, we have domestic and international, where you can add the rates. For example, I'm from Slovakia and it's setting the standard rate for free, but I don't really want to have it free without, for example, a promo code. So I'm gonna click on the three dots next to free and click edit the rate. And the price will be 9.90 euros. And that's our standard price. If you are, for example, not inside of the Slovakia, or you can go like Czech Republic as well, you can go with international shippings. And that is 18 euros. And I don't really want to change it. You can set up a free shipping, but I already created video about that, so go and check that out. When you get a free shipping, if you buy on my website above certain amount of money. So for example, if you buy for more than 50 euros, you will get the free shipping. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.